I'm going to show you how you can make sales every day with affiliate and digital products without ever having to post on social media, never having to show your face, and actually being paid to do it from day one. I'm not going to delay. I'm going to jump right into a live account here that I have on Facebook. And the secret here is Facebook ads. But don't scroll away. Don't skip to another video, because I promise you, the way that I do Facebook ads with affiliate marketing and everything else, totally different than your friendly neighborhood guru. I'm going to hit refresh here so you can see this is a real live ad account. Hey, I was hoping it would stay zoomed in there. It did. That's good. And so if we look at some of these numbers here, the main key ones I want you to look at, this is a brand new campaign. I'm known for doing ads with affiliate marketing and kind of having a hands-off business. I live kind of a lifestyle. You know, I'm that guy when it comes to that kind of stuff. When all the gurus say like, oh yeah, you can have a laptop lifestyle and all that bullshit that, you know, they've been saying that for years. But really when they tell you to post on Instagram every day, TikTok every day, go live, do all this, that's not a business, okay? That is a glorified job. That is a remote job. That's what that is. Now, the two numbers I want you to pay attention to here are purchases from conversions and amount spent, because a lot of people get stuck on this. Oh my God, I got to spend money for ads. That's scary. It's bad. It's wrong. Most of the time it's due to the fact that they've drank all the Kool-Aid from some of like guru and some course they took or bought that kept saying, don't do ads, don't do ads. You don't have to do ads. Don't do ads. Trust me, I bought a bunch of those courses too. I used to drink the Kool-Aid, and I used to hustle really hard posting on YouTube and TikTok and all kinds of different platforms all day, every day. And what always happened was I would burn out. I would just like, oh my God, I can't do this anymore. Like you'd get some views, you'd get some traction, right? And you'd always just get tired. You'd get frustrated, say, this is not really a business. I don't really feel like, and mind you, this is coming from somebody that was hitting the 5, 10K per month numbers that everybody always talks about. I was making those numbers and I was still burnt out and tired. So you can see here, I made $165 in the last like 3-4 days here. And I spent $135. Now, mind you, this is a brand new campaign. I have other campaigns running too. But I wanted to show you that even as you get started, I spent literally $135 so far in just 3 or 4 days time. And I've made back $165. And to show you another number here that's important, let me scroll over, is Facebook will give you this number called results ROAS. It stands for return on ad spend. So this 1.22 means that for every dollar I'm spending on Facebook ads, I'm immediately making back $1.22. So let me ask you and pose you the honest entrepreneurial wealth building question. If you was to have a magic ATM where every time you put $1 into it and it spit back out $1.22, how many times would you do that? You'd probably say infinity times, right? You would keep doing that. But let me go a step further and show you why this is just the scratching of the surface. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is nothing, okay? This is not where you make your big profits, because I know you're saying, oh, Infamous Joel, I've seen you around. You have the plaques, you have the millions and all that stuff. You made 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K months that you post all over the place. And you're like, look, I had a great month and stuff. So like, where's that at? I know you're not making just 22 cents, you know, here and there. Like, where's that at? So the strategy here is not to make a crap ton of money and become a millionaire from the ads. The strategy here is that the ads are running every day, all day, bringing buyers into my business. All right. Simple digital products like PDFs, ebooks, and stuff like that. But these are people that have actually purchased the products, and now they're on my email list. So now I re-promote to them, right? I re-advertise to them in free ways, right? Sending out emails, text messages, and stuff like that, that I might have cross promotions or upsells and things like that. And here's the facts. You can look this up. You can chat GPT it. You can do whatever you want. It is a fact that buyers are 10 times more likely to buy again. So it absolutely drives me crazy when I see affiliate and digital marketing gurus saying, oh, make a lead magnet and post all over social media. All you're doing is training your audience to expect free stuff from you. That's all you're doing. When I lead with ads, I'm like, hey, I'm a business. There's a purchase here. Buy it or not, get out of the way. That's it, right? And those are the only people I deal with. The only people I send emails to and all that stuff is buyers, people that have already proven to me that they're looking to solve the problem. And this works whether you're in weight loss, fitness, make money online like I am. It doesn't matter what niche you pick. It works in any niche. In fact, other niches besides make money online are actually a lot easier because it's really competitive. So my ad costs are higher than yours would be if you pick like relationships as your niche. So just like a little bit of a reference here, this is what the business looks like on a macro level. Like, let's zoom out, right? So essentially I'm running ads, And every business online, especially affiliate and digital marketing, is separated into two main parts, which is the front end of your business and the back end of your business. We call this the front and the back. So you see the two squares there. All right. So think about the front end of your business as if you had a storefront, you had a brick and mortar, you had a bakery, right? A shop like that. That's literally the front, right? It's literally the front door, the window. Like, how inviting are you to bring people into your store, to bring people into your bakery? That's the first thing people see. And what most gurus out there will tell you to do is like, well, for the front end, you need to get traffic. You need to get people coming into your store, into your business, saying hello, right? And they say, well, post all over Pinterest and post all over Instagram and do 50 reels a day and all that. And I'm not saying that doesn't work, okay? I did that for years. I still do it sporadically here and there when I feel like it, I have energy to, or I have time or whatever. The problem is it's inconsistent. You're praying to the algorithm gods. You're hoping that a post you make goes viral, whatever. All that in between, you're probably taking care of your kids. You're probably having your 9-to-5 that you have right now. You're a lot of other responsibilities. I work with business owners, doctors, lawyers. They're super busy. And so when they have this dream and this outcome of like, I want to build an affiliate digital marketing business, and scale it up to a nice number of 20, 30 amazing, K per month, which is freaking awesome, right? But then they get burnt out. They get frustrated, say, oh my God, this is too much work. I'm overwhelmed. I'm posting every day. I'm doing everything I need to do. Maybe I got one video or something that had a lot of views. I have to show my face online. And all these gurus are telling me show my face. Some gurus now are even going out of their way and saying, well, just use AI, but none of them are using AI. They're all showing their face, right? And I'm not saying that even using AI doesn't work, but you're still going to run into the same trap. You're still going to use AI to post every freaking day, run around in circles like a chicken with your head cut off, when instead you can make this so much simpler. Just pay $1 to Facebook or Google or whatever, run ads, and they give you 22 cents back in profit right from day one. You just saw it, right? And some campaigns I run, I make $2 back from day one. So I'm being paid to grow my list of potential buyers later in the future. They're buyers now, but later in the future, they're going to buy more because then I send them to my back end. Now, I do more than email. I have a school community. I have other places where I re-engage with the buyers, right? Get to know them a bit. We have a whole family called the Infamous Mob, and we get to know each other. We build trust. They always say, like, post on social media to build know, like, and trust. I say, absolutely not. Not interested in that because these are just strangers. I don't care about them. I care about the people who've already done business with me. Think about any storefront, right? Think about that bakery example. When you come in there and you actually buy a donut, right? Especially if you come in there again the next day and buy another donut, you're starting to build a relationship with that store owner. They might even start calling you by your first name. They might know the order that you actually like. They have it set aside for you every day. They have the same coconut cream donuts for you every day, right? That's how you build a real relationship. That's how you build real know, like, and trust. I'm not going to know, like, and trust with somebody who's just looking around for free stuff and lead magnets. You can't build a big business that way. Like, actually, in reality, all of the big gurus, like the true big gurus that I've worked with, like 9-figure earners, most of them say absolutely don't sell, don't give away free stuff and all that. Because again, you're giving the wrong impression that you're just somebody that's just going to give away free stuff all the time, post all over social media. They say sell something up front. And then later, as you grow and scale, when you need more people in your world, in your life, in your community, then you can give away free stuff. But doing that in the beginning, when you're just starting off, nobody knows you, nobody trusts you, and you're just giving away things for free, you're going to attract those freebie seekers. It's just me giving you a warning, okay? So start off like this, sell something very simple, a PDF. Hell, 9 times out of 10, that thing that you were designing to give away as a free lead magnet because the guru told you so, literally just add a price tag, charge $1 for it. It doesn't matter what it is. You're going to notice a huge difference. Number one, people will actually buy it and take it seriously. They'll go through it. They'll enjoy it. They'll give you a review on it rather than people just download it and say, okay, thank you, goodbye. And then they all forget about it. They don't really care. Russell Brunson said, people that pay attention, right? It's a fact. It's an actual fact of all this consumer goods and this business world that we live in. If you pay, you actually pay attention. How many times have you bought something from McDonald's and because you paid for it, you better check that bag and make sure that the order is correct or you actually pay attention. Even if it was only $4 to get that Big Mac, you're still like, hey, make sure that there's no pickles on it, right? If they gave it to you for free, you probably wouldn't care, right? You're just like, hey, I'm going to eat it no matter what. You don't really care, right? Especially if you're hungry, or just give it to somebody for free. So that's the big difference between something free and something paid up front. And mind you, the biggest benefit of this is you're being paid to build your business. I can't even like wrap my head around how many gurus are still out there echoing and cawing each other and saying, oh, well, we live in this big, echoplex and we're all saying the same things. Don't do ads, don't do ads, don't do ads. They're so scary. They're so expensive. There's nothing expensive about paying $1 and making back money immediately from day one. Most of the clients I work with, from day one, they see a result immediately, meaning they make even a little bit of a profit. This won't make you a millionaire. No, there's no such thing. Get that out of your head. This won't in 1 week, all of a sudden you're like balling and you got a Lamborghini. No, still takes time. You still have to build a list. You still have to build out systems. But what it does do is it buys back your time. You know, and I know now that you've seen all this, you put your credit card into the system, you start charging yourself for ads, the money comes back immediately and it's paying for itself. The reason that you've seen me on social media, post about different vacations or places I take my kids or hotel stays or water parks or anything like that, the ads paid for themselves, and now the credit card company gave me points and travel and miles and all that good stuff. So I get to live pretty much for free off all of that stuff. And I want you guys to do the same thing, okay? Because I want the same life for you guys. So irregardless, either you can work with me one-on-one, my team and I build this system for you, okay? Down below, you can book a call, or you can do this yourself. There's another link down there, probably in the description somewhere, where I have a short guide. I have a video with instructions and stuff on how to start setting this up for yourself. Whether you're a DIY or you want it all done for you, I have different options, but I want you to start using this right now and get out of that whole rat race 2.0, which is posting all over social media, thinking you have to exhaust yourself. You don't have to do that. And now I'm going to have a future video as well, where I'm going to show you how you can use AI to manage all of your ads, manage your ad account, create new ads for you. A lot of this stuff is so hands off now. It's insane. But I'm the infamous Joel. Watch this next video to keep on seeing how I automate an affiliate or digital marketing business, how I only work 1 or 2 hours per week and live the lifestyle that everyone talks about, but they don't really have, right? They're just making that stuff up. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.